Hey, what's going on, guys and girls? Look, over the last couple of months I've been getting some questions from y'all on what it takes to be successful, what I do, how I do it, and stuff like that. So it's been real slow lately. As y'all saw in the video from yesterday, in the last 2.5, 3 weeks, I managed to pull one M2 chase, and I got real lucky, and in the same case I pulled those 2 white lightnings out of the Johnny Lightning set. Other than that, Hot Wheels has been dead completely. Nothing. No Dollar Generals, no Dollar Trees, no Family Dollars, Walmart, Target, nothing. So, matter of fact, those Ultra Hots at Target, I don't think they've sold probably 10 or 15 of them. It's still slap full. And just not getting anything right now. So, just wanted to show y'all a couple of things that I'm working on, and then kind of we'll talk about kind of what I do, how I do it. It makes me so successful. I mean, like I say, I've only got 3 Walmarts, 1 Target, and 1 Kroger in my area. Now, I do have to travel out a little bit, so it gives me access to a few more Walmarts and some Dollar Generals and stuff. But as y'all seen in past videos, sometimes I'm on the road 5 to 7 to 9 hours. And it's just how it goes. That's how far out everything is. But anyway, just real quick, couple things. As you see, I've got some stuff just out of primer there. Finally got my rat feet decals for my panel van. I've got another set coming because I need to put a little something on the hood and something up actually on the panel there up on the side. But yeah, got that one finally done. Got this one here done. Vintage bomb. Pretty cool because it's got, I don't know if you can see it or not, it's got some bullet holes in it and stuff. Pretty cool. And then this one here is the Matchbox. That's that Razor, the black one with the white letters and stuff. Anyway, so I've got it, put some way bigger tires on it, painted it a candy red. I'm gonna do some detail out the shocks and stuff like that, headlights and grill and stuff. This one here is just going to be the regular Silverado. I took those motorcycles. Those are actually out of one of the Borla Jeeps. Just cut it down, cut it just right. And I'm going to paint those, detail those up and everything. But anyway, guys, what can make you successful in hunting? And as you all know, the biggest thing is luck. There's been many times I've just walked into a store at 10 o'clock in the morning or whenever. Those 3 Mustang drift car supers that I found, I think actually in my last video, or the video before rather, I found all 3 of those. My ticket at Walmart said 10:21 a.m. So it was almost 10:30 in the morning whenever I found those. So I've walked into a lot of it. So a lot of it is absolute luck. Other is guys, I think one of the biggest things is just being nice to people in your stores. Get to know them, get to talking with them, find out who they are. One young lady at one of the Walmarts I found out, she's actually from Houston, I think. She moved up here just to get away from everything. She knows a few people up here, so she came up here. Just get to know your people, be nice, and you'd be surprised how far just being nice to people gets you. A lot of these guys in Dollar Generals and those smaller stores, they're used to the rude, the inconsiderate customers. And whenever somebody actually greets them, hey, how are you? How's your day going? Just whatever. It'll touch them the first time, but guess what? Even if you don't come back in their store for 2-3 weeks, the next time you come in and you greet them with the same thing, hey, how are you? How's your day going? They're going to remember you. They remember the nice customers because they get the rude customers all day long. Just a little bit of niceness. And what that's done for me is I can walk in the store. I've got one of them in particular. She will hold a shipper until I come in the store. I'll come in the store and she'll, hey, I've got you something. Or she'll just flat out tell me, hey, look, nothing came in this week. No big deal. But she remembers me because I was nice to her. This Dollar General is about 45 minutes from my house. But just because I was nice to her a couple times, she remembered me, and she'll hold stuff for me. Now I know what day they get their truck, so I'm always there on their truck day. So that's how I know when exactly to be there. So it's not like she's holding the stuff for 2 or 3 days or a week or whatever. I know what day they get their truck. So that goes to number 2. Number 2 is learn the schedule of your stores. Dollar General will get a truck on a certain day. My area, within a 5 or 8 mile radius of right here, Tuesdays is the schedule that they get their trucks. Northeast and kind of east of me, they get their trucks on Wednesday. Then I go back the other way, and west gets their trucks on Thursday. Most of them, they get their trucks in and they put the carts down the aisles. So it's very simple. You just squeeze through the aisles, and if you see a box, just go ask them. Say, hey, look, I'm a collector. I'm passing through from out of town. I'm looking for a particular car. Do you mind if I take that Hot Wheels case off, open it, and I will peg them for you? Always offer to put them on the pegs for them. Another big thing that will help you out too is help them keep that area clean. If you're going to go into the die-cast aisle at a Dollar General, straighten it up for them. If there's Hot Wheels laying everywhere, put those Hot Wheels back on the pegs. Get everything nice and neat for them. They appreciate that. They may not notice it, so I always let them know, hey, look, you didn't have any Hot Wheels, but I did straighten up the pegs for you, and I cleaned up the area. That little bit, you'd be surprised at what happens. Same thing at Walmart, guys. Now, Walmarts and Targets, they generally get a truck every single day. But again, get to know your people, and you'll eventually get to know them to where they can trust you. And you can even ask them, hey guys, scan this barcode for me. Can you tell me your next expected delivery or your next expected shipment, whatever? And they can pull up on their little scan tool the dates. Now, that's not the exact date. That's the expected date. So you may have to be there a couple of days before, the day of the shipment, and then you may have to be there a couple of days after. It's going to hit somewhere within that time frame. It's not going to be exact. So unfortunately, you got to put the work in. You have to stay on top of it. You have to put your work in. I go crazy with it. You may call me crazy, but I've got a little notepad in my truck that I keep with me. So every time I go to a Dollar General, I write down Hot Wheels case and that date. Hot Wheels case and that date. That way I know generally it's a month or two before they get Hot Wheels. So I'll know about how long to kind of wait before I go hit one again. Once they hit in that area, they're going to hit all of them in that area. So just be aware of that. And again, guys, it's pure luck. Walking into these stores, you never know what you may find on the pegs. A lot of times, a lot of resellers, they'll buy up everything, bring it home, put it on Amazon, eBay, Mercari, whatever site they put it on, and if it doesn't sell in a few times, guess what? They're not going to hold on to it and just waste their money. They're going to return it. I actually went into a Walmart about a week ago, and none of my Walmarts I've seen here locally have gotten the Mountain Drift premium set. So I went into this Walmart out of town, and they had, matter of fact, it's right here. They actually had that sitting on the peg. That was the only car. So either somebody picked it up and laid it down somewhere else in the store, or somebody returned it. But that is the only car from the Mountain Drift set that was hanging on the pegs. Just totally unexpected. So you never know. But again, guys, it's that simple. Biggest thing, you got to be on it. You've got to hit the stores. Be nice to people. Goes a long, long, long ways. And third, always kind of keep that area clean. I see some guys, and I've seen some YouTubers, they'll pull cases, and one of them in particular I watched the other night. He was in a hurry because it was like 10 minutes to closing, and he found some, maybe it was some M2 cases, I don't remember, but he found some cases and he was cutting it, and he was talking instead of going through the stuff. If you're in a hurry, you need to get to business and get the stuff done. But he opened everything, went through everything. There wasn't no chases or anything like that in the M2 case, and he made the statement again, I've got to go, the store's closing. M2 boxes, I think there were 2 of them, just laid out on the shelves with the white wrapping paper, some of it in the box, some of them out of the box, and he never said he cleaned it up. He never said anything. That was about where the video ended. Now, he was getting some stuff. He had found some toys, because he's a toy reseller also. But guys, if you're gonna go through boxes, if you're gonna go through cases, clean up after yourself. When you leave that box or that case laying on the shelf, they're gonna remember that. They're gonna know that. That's why some of the stores don't like us going through them. But like I say, you clean up after yourself, you keep their areas clean, you're not gonna have a problem. It may take you a little while to get them to trust you. Like I say, just let them know, hey guys, I got your area clean in the die cast section for you. I'll see you tomorrow night, or whatever. They'll remember that. And they don't mind you going through cases because they don't have to clean up after you. That's it, guys. That's simple. And success can be yours. Just those few simple little things. Now, I am lucky enough that I work shift work, so I work a couple of days, I'm off a couple of days, but even at that, I work directly across the street from my local Walmart. So all it takes is, on my break, I'll jump right across the street, see if they got anything, come back. And that's night shift. I'll take my break at about 8:30, because I know that's about when the pallets come out. I'll run across the street, run through the pallets real quick, jump back to work. Get off in the morning. My shift ends at 6 o'clock. I can be at the front door at 6:02 at Walmart, and I can hit them first thing in the morning. So every day I can hit that Walmart, morning, night, whatever. I can hit them. The other ones might take, a little bit more, but I still try and hit them every single day. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helped y'all out a little bit. Hopefully y'all have some success. I have shared these things with a few of y'all that have messaged me through Instagram or somewhere like that. And one of the guys was just so excited because he went into a Family Dollar and they didn't have any cards out on the pegs. And he very politely asked the lady, and she said, yes, you know what, a matter of fact, I've got a case right here behind the counter. She gave him the case, and he got him a gold nugget. He got the Civic Super. So congratulations to him. And again, good luck to all of y'all. Thanks for watching. Look, if this is helpful to y'all and you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. It helps the channel. It helps me out. And if you are a subscriber, thanks for watching. Welcome back. Y'all know what to do. Comment, like, share the video, and I'll see y'all next time.